What's up guys, Speedsterz here. Today Gabe is unboxing the Wltoys 12423. Okay, so this is 1/12 scale. On the box it says 50 kilometers per hour. How much miles per hour is that?
31 miles per hour.
That's 31 miles per hour. This is 4-wheel drive. Gabe is super excited to get into this, so let's go ahead and open it. Okay, he's opening up the box now. He really likes this look of this stadium truck type of thing. I think that's a cool look for it. Okay, so first out is the box with the controller inside of it. And then the truck. Okay, so how do you think that looks?
Super cool.
Nice and big, it's pretty big. Feels good.
What scale is it again, Gabe? 1/12.
Okay. So there were some zip ties on the bottom, and that was pretty hard to cut, but we eventually got it out, and there's the truck. That looks pretty cool. And a nice front bumper. How's the suspension?
And right here, you can install LED lights right here.
Yeah. Oh wait, I think they're already installed.
Cool.
Yeah. So we'll see if these have lights later. Look. It's kind of bouncy. I think that's just the body, but it's pretty good. So this is a 1/18 scale beside it. That's just a size comparison. And then here's a 1/14 scale Wltoys. A 1/10 scale. See, it's a little bit bigger. You can tell that it's definitely 1/12. And lastly, a 1/8 scale beside it. So yeah, that's size comparison. So it also comes with a bag with a screwdriver and the whole instruction manual with the charger and a little plastic cross wrench. Okay, so here's the body. The body clips were super easy to come off, but they're super small. But that was a lot simpler than most of our other stuff. Oh, and there's the inside. Wow. Is this motor brushed or brushless?
Brushed.
It's a brushed motor, and
The battery goes in the back. And this is the battery.
Yeah, here's the battery in the
And
back.
I love these kind of shocks. These are so cool.
Yeah, it's like a different type of shocks right there. Shocks right there, and then we got the long back shocks. And it's got the full straight back, which is cool, just like a normal stadium truck type of thing. So the battery comes out of this little thing, which is cool. It has a body clip, and it's like sliding out. And then the battery right here has a Dean's connector. It's 2-cell, and it has 1500 milliamps. So here's a little bit closer up on the inside. It is 4-wheel drive, as you can see. And it looks like there's metal dips in it. And you can see these wires coming up to this right here. Like, all these wires are connected to the ESC over here, which should be headlights in the front. So that'll be cool to see it at the night or something. And there's the bottom. It's got a little metal plate right there, but most of it is plastic. And it's cool to see this right here. It'll be cool to see that spinning when it's go.
This is the controller, and this is super cool.
Yeah, it's the same one as the 14401, which are our last video. So yeah, it's like Wltoys stuff. It's mostly like all the other Wltoys controller, except for the 18 scales. Okay, so the controller needs 4 AA batteries on the bottom, and it has a foam grip on the steering, and this is the on and off switch. And this top knob is the steering trim, so that makes it turn back and forth. And the throttle dual rate, whenever you turn it this way, it makes it slower, but whenever you turn it up, it'll like make it so that it's like in a high speed mode, so it'll reach its full speed. So that's pretty cool about it.
gonna drive it outside right now.
Okay, so we're outside and we're gonna turn it on. Go ahead, turn on the controller. And then there's a switch on the bottom. Hit the throttle while it's upside down.
That's not high speed.
Yeah.
This is high speed.
Nice. Okay. He was just adjusting the dual rate just to make it a little slower. Because he's kind of new to this.
This is saying I'm doing full throttle right now.
Yeah, but he has the dual rate down.
Okay, so he's gonna turn up the dual rate all the way. And he's gonna go full speed.
Do it again.
Do it again.
So that's the full speed with the thing up.
He's turning back.
So that was all the way up?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a pretty cool trip. It's not incredibly fast. Okay, so he has it in grass now. Okay, he has it back on its full speed. Speed run!
Alright.
Ooh. Whoa! Ooh, little truck. Oh, you just flipped it. Okay guys, there it is in the night. That's just to show you what the headlights look like. The lights look pretty good. Oh, yeah, sorry about it. Not so dark. Yeah, I just wanted to show you. That's what it looks like in the night.
The dual rate is all the way up.
Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. So, how do you like this?
I really like it.
Yeah, he really likes this. If you guys want this, check out the link in the description. Hee hee! Hoo ha! Speedsterz out!